All right, so this is the NSX engine cover, and what we're gonna do is, I don't want this anymore, of course. It's all broken and it's all ripping and tearing up. You do want to trim it to where you don't want to trim this off, because I need this because it stands on the
I'll kind of grind it flat and then see where I go.
Yeah, right there. So you want to stay on the outside of this.
Okay.
Cut off right here too.
Just cut
I don't
off
even.
here?
Yep, I don't even need none of that.
Cool.
Yep.
You want me to grind this flat too, like this? So it's clean or no?
I think that kind of leaves it for support.
Okay,
yeah. Right. Sometimes you take out too much and then
it gets
floppy and flimsy. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is the NSX engine cover, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this up, or Josh is gonna help me trim it up, and this right here is what the tools that's gonna be doing the work.
Airsaw.
It's gonna cut it like butter. This is plexiglass. I don't need that. I'm gonna cut that out. So I drew it where I want it to be cut, and I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna put mesh over it. Like, all right, let's go. Let's have a beer, y'all. Cheers, bro. Thanks for the beer, man. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers, y'all. Here at Stellar. You already know, Stellar Built, Sacramento. All right, guys, I'm here with Josh. I texted him the other day. He told me to bring it in for him to help me cut up my NSX engine cover, and we're going at it right now. That's nice.
Comes out good.
Yeah, it looks good. Play with it. Sick, bro. This is this truck. Woo! Now this is a monster truck. Hey! It's broken off. Yeah, boy. Yeah. What's this?
Just a little bit. That's probably what we're going on right there.
Oh, I see. You could cut that one off.
Yeah, I'll cut that off.
And then just trim around the edges and nice and round it. And set. That's garbage. Just help me dump it if you don't mind.
Yeah,
sure.
I'll dump it.
All right, you guys, look at this. Woo-hoo! Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Easy peasy. That NSX engine cover. We're smoothing it out. We're gonna round off the edges. Round off the edges now. Yeah. And I just want to thank him for cutting this up for me. Appreciate it, Josh. This is the NSX engine cover that was sitting on my side yard for years. I've just never really had the chance to come around to playing with it. But what I did was the original plexiglass that was on here, it's been cut up to the mesh look that I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to play with it, guys. It's going to be a mesh going over here, and I'm just going to repaint it black, so it'll be an engine cover with a mesh like all the other NSX engine covers.
Sick.
But anyways, yeah, I couldn't. This one never been done without Josh, dude. Got the right tools. We're here at Stella Built. And we get shit done. Came out smooth. This is smooth right here, you guys. Woo! Thanks, man.
Almost as smooth as a Coors Light.
And I'm out. Woo.